Okay, this is a compressor effect, shootout. I don't have any more than this, unfortunately. Up here you have the Voss CS2. It's from the early 80s, no longer in production. A reissue, MXR Dynacomp. This is a legendary compressor that a lot of people use. CS3, this is from the mid 80s, still in production. This is actually a Japanese one from 88, I think. Boss CS1, this is from 1978. This is one of the earliest Boss pedals. Frontline Series 2 compressor, mid 80s, obscure, I think made by Koran in Japan, branded in the UK by Frontline. DoD FX80B, late 80s, and has been around since the mid 80s. Then the Yamaha CO10M2. These are not that common. Again, mid to late 80s, and that's it really. Let them do battle right now. The amplifier is a Fender Super 210. You know, the early 90s red knobs. The ones that people say bum, 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 bum. I'm sick of hearing retards bark on about these amps. They're not the best Fender amps of all time, but you can pick them up pretty cheaply and they do sound good. So, you know, blow it out your butt, motorcycle man, as Frank Zappa said. And the guitar is a Fender Standard Telecaster in amazing chrome red. Okay, they're all set up here. Kind of tricky really, because what you call it, the DoD has that old 3.5 millimeter power supply, which is awkward, and the socket on the Dynacomp is just right next to the input jack socket, which makes it a bit tricky, and the frontline compressor, the LED, is not working. I think it got stage fright, so just had to check all that out. The power supply is from the PSM5, and this is the clean signal. Just going to bring the amp up a little bit more. Okay, first off is the CS1. This one is a momentary LED because it's one of the early Boss pedals. That's the current compression pedal I'm using at the moment. It's a bit elastic sounding. Nice snap of it though. It's a bit low. You got to bring up the level. Okay, turning it off and moving on to the CS3. One of my favorites, used it for 23 years on my board, turned on constantly. It's quite good. It's got a clear sound. A lot of compressors can sog up your sound real bad. This is still being made today. This is a good compressor. The CS2. Yamaha. This is one of the loudest ones. I could bring the output level down. Not as nice sounding as the Boss. Bit harsh, bit cold. I did use that for a while. Got tired of it. This one, the LED is gone, like I said. A CS1 clone. Not bad, it's nice and chewy. Yeah, I like it, but it's you know, it's kind of an ugly beast. It's the MXR. Yeah, MXR kind of keeps your tone. And then you got the whoops a daisy, the DOD. Okay, so that's the test. If I go tweaking the parameters of each pedal, I'll be here until there's life on Mars. So that's about it. I think I've done enough, and thanks for watching.